Good morning. Sorry I'm late. I was taking a shit. What's good, baby? Yes. Nature calls. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Your favorite wash streamer is here. How we doing? How we doing? Omega Kyoto, what's up, Isaac? Lord Asshead, my guy, and the brother Otter. Over on YouTube. Good morning, Ziadi. I almost forgot I was live because I was about to whip the phone out and watch some TikTok. Hey, what's up, John? Big John. Let me just get my chisels ready. How we doing, chat? We feeling good today? Feeling beautiful? Hope we're feeling well. Bit late, bit of a late start, but just sorting some stuff out and was saw some new game announcements and started to watch those too. And I had I'm cringe. I had breakfast today. What else am I looking for? Yeah, I'm cringe. I ended up having breakfast today. I don't normally do that. Yeah. How about yourself? Yeah, I feel good. Just been thinking about streaming and where to go now. I think I want to start investing more time into YouTube as well. Not so much live streaming on YouTube, more editing. Yeah. And our Zelda game turned up last night. It was supposed to be here on the 30th, but it got here early. Yo, Kiki getting us started strong. Thank you very much for the 5-bomb, Kiki. If you received a gift sub from Kiki, please, please, please give him or her a thank you. Thank you very much, Kiki. Also, chat, I am thinking of changing up the follower emotes too. I want to change them. I just realized we're double dipping on the salute emote. So it might be time to think of some other emotes.
Nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me do my shit. Whatever, man. You wanna get club, huh? You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. Listen. Right.
You still got to start thinking about new follower emotes. We're gonna do that. More twerking bear. Yeah, unfortunately, animated emotes are not follower only. You gotta sub to get this. Take these odds and cut them. Yeah, that's what I used to do. But yeah, I'm thinking we might cut them up, chop them up. That's the emoji. That's the emote. Big Anto, you know what he's about. Alright. If you done IRL videos, they'll pop up on YouTube. You know so much about Maori culture. Yo. Definitely, bro. I was thinking of doing an IRL stream this week. But, I'm kind of taking it as it goes right now. life's just getting a bit busier now that baby number 3 is on the way. Hello there, Dobster. What's up, kid, over on YouTube as well? Yeah, I contemplated, you know, not streaming on YouTube anymore and just trying to edit some videos, but I think what I'd rather do is ask the YouTube audience instead, you know? Instead of kind of like taking that away. Me personally. Because one thing I definitely want to do is when the Zelda marathon starts, I want to edit those videos and chuck them on my other YouTube channel. That's a huge way to get eyes. Yeah. I just never know what to upload, when it comes to shorts. Because we do so much on the channel. And I feel like we don't have much key moments in the stream other than, you know, progressing in the carving. Because the only things I can think of are like time lapse and maybe some moments in the streams. I should pick people's brains about it. I'm used to saying that sort. Yeah, me too, my bro. Looking so great, man. Thank you, Burger James. Tune into Kia ora, Bix. Kia ora, no. Yeah, bro. I never really know people. Ooh. Hold up. 1 minute store. Maori, 1 minute. Ah, that's pretty hard. I'll try. I'm still trying to avoid like tutorial videos. You know my reasonings why. They don't want to know because they know what's on side. Oh my, oh what a love. It's possible. Who knows, I might tell the story of it to people today and then we'll cut that section out of the stream and upload it. That could be a video for today. What do you reckon? But I'll carve while I'm doing it. Because I used to tell like the stories while I was carving as well. Telling a story while this song is playing, eh? They unleashed the beast. Could be more about box sub to the person. Oh yeah. I did see some clips that you had taken yesterday too. Because you can straight raw dog those and just upload them straight to your YouTube channel. I'm a bad guy. Oh shit, now you got a fucking bad guy. I don't care. How often do you shop in your stores? Usually like once a month, my brother. This is a roleplay song, chat. It's not real. We might have a...
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube.
For fuck's sake, YouTube.
Videos on the YouTube Kids app. New users try 1 month on us.
No, I refuse. I refuse. Now you can say in game and actually mean it. Bro, I actually enjoyed Grand Theft Auto Geoguessr last night. I didn't realize how well I knew stuff. Bro, it's really fun. Yeah, we played a Grand Theft Auto one last night. I caught the end of your stream and played there yesterday. Yo. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, I got a 1954. That was my highest score. Most of the spots when it came to bushes I knew because, you know, in game, I'm talking in game, that's I've cooked meth there in game. I should get that from last night's stream and upload it too. I know the spot because I've cooked meth there. I'm gonna see what scores I get real. Yeah, go hard. It's pretty good. So you just got TTA Geoguessr. got me like Well, yeah, I didn't realize how much fun I'd have on my hometown this thing. Yeah, it's all the criminal activity I've done in game, hence how I knew where I was. So it's like, I know this spot. It's a big bevel for people, but I'm a roll with it. One 1:38 in the morning. Man, you're making me want to play Geoguessr. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. Bro, he's making me want to play Geoguessr, bro. Hey, what up, Kuro? Thank you very much for joining us today, brother. How are you? Bro, he's making me want to play GTA Geoguessr. How are you today? Yeah, I'm all good, my bro. Back's kind of getting better, but all is well, man. Cutting the grass. Oh, bro, that's one of my favorite smells. You freshly cut grass. If there was a smell you could smell for the rest of your life, what would it be? Trust me, your music sounds warmer, man. That's a difficult question. Yeah, bro. That's hard because there's a lot of smells in the world I could be used to smelling for the rest of my life. Cut grass is one of them. Cooked onions. so many. I'm anosmic, bro. I have. What does that mean? I don't have a sense of smell. Hit my head and lost it. Whoa, true, my bro. I see, man. So you could probably clean like the most threat level Delta diaper in the world and not gag. And my taste pretty much. Damn, true, my bro. I'd be that guy and experiment, eh? See what I like, get the most rank stuff and see if I can smell it or not.
You're on YouTube watching chill.
Oh,
lo-fi
for fuck's
hip-hop.
sake.
Because you know there's a YouTube music app where you can listen to playlists ad-free based on whatever mood you're
Not interested, lady. Defaults to playing Kapahaka. $14.33 is decent. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I almost got a perfect score last night. The thing that cucked me was just positioning of the answer. That was about it. But other than that, yes. Was the cleanest run I've had on Geoguessr. I want to try the world one too. Have you seen that guy that's played so much Geoguessr? He's like raid boss level. Dude can look at one rock and he knows where that place is straight away. I was like, this guy. I'm just looking for a chisel chip. Fix up these pockets in the eye. I mene atu ki te hariki, ana nei te aroha. O yata tia, whakapaenia. Bro, where's my skew? Aroha Hanui Manakitia Tamariki Wakamoimititia Waiata Kararia Doria Kiteariki. Okay, try it now. I forgot to turn up. Is our mic low too? Yeah, I forgot to turn it up. I forgot I was indulging in some Grand Theft Auto roleplay last night, and I normally turn my mic down because I have a naturally big and loud voice even when I'm talking. ki e ihoa ki te hana i are atau ana. I should take this vest off. Yeah, camping. Yeah, bro. Within a few kilometers. I'd be impressed. I'd be impressed if I sent him a foot pic of the ground and he knew where I was. I'd be really impressed. This is my niece singing. Tamariki, whakamoe me te tia. Ki te ariki, tōna nei te aroha. Kuro. Whakapaenia. Hold on, Chad, I'm gonna get in your way a bit here. Alright. I'm on you, bugger. So what you can hear, that's a pūkaya. I want to carve one of those. I just don't have the timber for it. What's up, creative? I hate the in character where all these places are, but can't place them on the map. Yeah, I feel that. I feel that. Can't remember where I put my skew. I need to find it. Whew. Rip ears, my bad, bro. Yeah, I'll turn it down a bit, eh? Loud cougher much. Yeah, I'm gonna be lucky. Sub Army. Pea koe Omi, Omi the homie. I'll be with you after this. And thank you very much to Skungy Dory for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, good sir, for the aroha. Thank you very, very much for the 4 months of aroha. If you do have a cheeky Prime in your back pocket underneath your pocket lint, much appreciated if you use it on me. Missorio, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. We're just finishing up with this, with the designs in this eye. We just, hey, there he is. Hey, Skunky, what's up, brother? Hello, sir. Thank you very much for the aroha, man. Thank you very much for the love. Appreciate that, my bro. No, it's not. Oh, it's the video, sorry. Hey Brooks, I started wood carving a while back. These days I'm so tired because I've been sick and I don't feel up for carving because to mess it up during. Yeah, like there's nothing wrong with taking a break, eh? Look after yourself first, remember health as well. We must always look after our health first and then we can carve again later. It's all good, brother. I guess the main thing I want to say is I hope you've been enjoying it, eh? No. Hey, Okuti! Kia ora, my bro. Thank you very much for the 31 months, my brother. Kia ora, bro. Just got home from overseas. Whee! Where did you go, my bro? Holiday? How are you, bro? Yeah, when I went overseas those few times, it was real. You get a sense of relief, especially when you walk through there. Whakairo, man. I got that feeling. It's like, yes, I'm home. Che, too much, my bro. Thank you very much for the hype train as well, Father. We're 93% into Tier 1, the Geoguessr. In the city, I used to run mix shop near the airport. It's right behind the shop. Yeah. I think I know which one you're talking about. It's the shot of the that broken up truck, or just like all the broken up crap behind it. Yeah, that's a chop spot in the RP server back in the day, and a boosting spot. Oh, the bennies are you. No. Hey. Hold on, chat. Bro, I'm so pumped for that, I'm so pumped for, Space Marine. Just passed my driving test. Nice. Congratulations, man. Very, very well done, man. I hope you, feeling good after that. I definitely know, you know, the pressures of it all. Looking forward to the War Within. Is that dropping tomorrow? If it is, just know I'm not carving tomorrow, eh? If that's dropping tomorrow, then we are not carving tomorrow. You know how much I love WoW, so I know you will understand. Alright, no carving tomorrow. It's like $20 more. Oh yeah, I got early access. Thankfully, like a shout out to Blizzard ANZ for always hooking me up. I made a character on an EU server, but it's only standard edition. I don't know if I can use like one of my War Within codes to update the EU one. I don't know, can you do that? I've never actually played on EU, but I want to start jamming with a few of the people that jam EU and watch the stream. I was mostly in Europe. Oh, so did you go to Paris too, my bro? The carving you walk through in Auckland? Yeah, my bro. It's definitely makes me feel good when you walk through that, walk underneath that carving. Let me just get my phone. Oh man, I'm actually keen, eh? Oh bro, the WoW hype. The WoW hype. Arrgh, I can't wait, I'm going to bed early tonight. Nah, that's a lie. I'll probably play Geoguessr. Also next week Wednesday there will be no stream because yeah, we got a scan on Wednesday. Baby scan. Hello, Broken Puppet. Yeah, nah, we time to become a degenerate WoW player again. Hell yeah, brother. Sorry, chat, we ain't touching wood tomorrow. It's not only hands, it's only taps. Not gambling. Making sure I cast, you know, execute while I'm playing my arms warrior. Executes only. Hello, Broken Puppet. How are you once again, man? Better get it now, cause you ain't gonna have time for WoW in about 8 months. Nah, easy. If I'm on night shift for baby, we can sleep in the lounge. The cot can go next to me. Boom. I did it with both my other girls. I used to do that with the PS5 too. And he said, "Here, I'll take baby." In a few seconds later, my wife will hear that beep from the PS5. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. All you need to do you should see, like, for example, okay, I'm gonna have a bit of a yap here. For example, if you play Call of Duty, I hope a lot of you have seen COD Mum. If you don't know who COD Mum is, she's literally playing Call of Duty while baby's over here. Right. I'll buy that mother a spa day for that expertise. Nah, I lie, I won't. That's too much money. I'm trying to save. Kia ora. Homewing TV, kia ora. Where did you get that hoodie? I got it ages ago. When Burning Crusade Classic launched. Can't believe WoW is going to be 20 years old this year. That is crazy, man. I'm gonna put that in my CV, bro. If I ever have to apply for like a job outside of streaming, if streaming doesn't work, I'm putting played WoW for 20 years. Caught alive. Hey, what's up, Nico? Been playing WoW since like I was 7. Yo, you're 27 and fat now. Wouldn't change a thing. Respect. Some respect right there. Put some respect on that man's name. I'm 32, fat with 2 children. Well, 2 plus 1 is loading. I just really like Zelatet's energy she's bringing out of all the villains. I really hope we get to clap a Ridicron. I hate that guy. Man switched up on his peeps. Proxy crafting babies. Yeah, we finally have a big bad guy in the next 3 expansions. It's gonna be dark. Yeah, bro. It's gonna be crazy. I was talking about it last night when he announced it at BlizzCon, bro. Everyone went fucking nuts, bro. But hey, trust Daddy Mitson to do something like that. One thing that hit me was seeing how old Thrall has gotten. Okay. What else needs to be done? Chris Mitson was a typo, but it works. So good. I hope to see someone who'd made me love WoW a lot. Growing up, like there was a point in my life, you know, where I couldn't play WoW that much. And I want to give this guy a shout out because his content really helped me enjoy WoW even when I wasn't able to play it. And it's funny enough that I met him at TwitchCon last year. I was gonna give a shout out to Jesse Cox. His content throughout Burning Crusade, like I couldn't, as I mentioned, I couldn't play WoW all the time because my family wasn't, you know. Well, let's just say WoW wasn't important. We had other things to worry about in my family, and yeah, I got to play a little bit of Burning Crusade, but it was Jesse Cox's content on YouTube back in Cataclysm that I was kind of living my love for WoW through his content, and bro, to this day I still Swifty. Yeah, Swifty was one of them, but the one who I enjoyed the most was Jesse Cox, because he was really entertaining, and he was one of the first WoW content creators I ever watched. Obviously, he doesn't play it that much now, but yeah, definitely him. And that's when I found Swifty, Bajira, Panda TV, Sko, and the raid racing. And yeah, it's definitely something I definitely hold high respects for Jesse because of that very reason. He helped me here when I wasn't able to play WoW by watching his content. And yeah, got to finally meet him. It was by chance that I met him too, because I was just cruising around and I knew straight away who he was, and he knew who I was, and I was like buzzing out. Love that, man. That's such a nice story, especially the fact that he knew who you were too. Well, it's truly one of the best games of all time. I agree, brother. I agree. Yeah, because I bumped into him and he goes, "Wait, I know you." I was like, "I definitely know who you are." And I was like, "OMFG Kata." And he was like, "Oh, now that's a throwback." Oh, bro, it was one of the most buzzy experiences for me when it came to TwitchCon, meeting him. To bump into Bellylaw one day. Oh, I saw him at BlizzCon. Bellylaw. It was funny because at the time him and the Bro Panda were beefing a little bit. Oh Oh, bro, I was starstruck when I met Bajiro because that's like my main man because I play warrior. He's the reason why I enjoy warrior so much. Like, oh, he's like the warrior to me. And it was absolutely buzzy to meet him, bro. I swear, bro, this dog. I was a long time warrior man, but I have joined the dark side of Demon Hunter, now living the edgelord life. Nice. The only way I'd ever main another class is if Magha Orcs ever, got the option to be paladins. Trust me, I love my Tauren paladin. That's my boy. I've had him since Cataclysm. But yeah, if Magha Orcs ever, got to roll that class, I mean, they could lore-wise after what happened. But yeah. Just cleaning in between you guys. Magha Epic. My favorite race is definitely Tauren, but I'm limited to elves. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, like after like Warlord's Adrenal, then when what's her name? Urel went a bit she went a bit how's it going with the light, and some of the Magha converted to the lights as well. That definitely opens up an option to it, and I'm also just huffing on the big ass copium that in China, when they reopen the Chinese service. They got a big light forged Gorhel there. Yeah, there's a big light forged Gorhel there, but I'm just huffing on copium with it. Must go. All good, brother. Yeah, definitely. Don't stay up at silly o'clock just to watch me, brother. I would rather you and everyone else get a good night's sleep. Good evening, brother. You have a good one. All Hungry for hiding. I feel that, I feel that. Alright. Clean. Hold on, guys. Alright. Who am I thanking? Who am I thanking? Thank you very much, Blazed One, for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very much, my bro, for supporting the channel. Using your Prime here, my brother, I appreciate the aroha, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Welcome to the channel, my bro. So, we're getting a few new people in today. I'll explain where Whakairo comes from too, shortly. Oh, hold on now. The emo man kills me every time. It's for all of you guys. That's why I made it. I figured that'll be an emote that'll give a lot of people a laugh, and I'm totally here for it. I am totally here for it, my bros. Especially when my youngest daughter was watching, she was like, "Papa!" So, what's up, baby? Yeah, I saw Leafy Bear shaking his bum on your stream. was like, oh yeah, sorry. Because their mascot, so the green bear that you see, origin story, it's an emote or a character created by my daughters. I feel like over time I might let that bear overtake the carving one that we have. Because it's a lot more sentimental to me, the bear. Because my daughters created it. I pretty much asked them, what animals do you see Papa as? And then they gave me their options, and they had to choose which one they liked the most. And it was the bear. Have you seen, that's Shroud's game, right? Bro, I'm barely good at a bloody FPS game with one character. Gritty bear, gritty one. Ooh. I'm not sure I played. Yeah, I think he is, because. Oh, what Splitgate? Is that the one when you have two characters? Because I know that's the game he created. Thanks, Pix. It's like a portal plus head. Oh, true. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not too sure then. So I'm just going to stop there then. So we have a few new people in stream today. Just going to give you an insight on where this art form comes from. So what you can see in front of you right now, this is called Whakairo, Maori wood carving. It has been in my culture for many generations. It has been passed down through the generations as well. But where does it come from? Now this art form comes from our god of the sea. His name is Tangaroa. So Tangaroa is not only the god of the seas, but he is also the god of Whakairo as well. Now, how did our people discover it? Now we go back to an ancestor by the name of Rua Te Pupuke and Manuruhi. Now, a little heads up, there are a few variations of the story told throughout the many tribes of our country, but they all pretty much link up anyway. So the most common one that's known is when Rua Te Pupuke and his son Manuruhi. Wait, it should be good. Yeah. Okay. Hold up. Is everyone good? Refresh? What's going through your mind before you chisel the next spot? My back hurts. Nothing too crazy, brother, other than did I leave the oven on? What do I want for lunch? Yeah. Nothing too deep, my bro. Where was I? Oh yeah, so Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving. is a way for our ancestors to tell our stories through this art form as well, passing down knowledge. Most of all, acknowledging our ancestors too through this art form. But where does it come from? So Whakairo, as I mentioned, comes from our god of the sea, his name being Tangaroa. Kanaloa to some, Tagaloa to others, and he goes by many names. Now, Tangaroa is the god of the sea, but also the god of Whakairo as well. Now it goes back to who discovered Whakairo. How did they find it? So it all starts with Rua Te Pupuke and his son Manuruhi. As I mentioned, there are many variations to this story as well. But for now we'll stick to the most common one. Now it all starts with Rua Te Pupuke and his son, who go fishing one day. Now his son mentioned to him that when you catch your first fish, you give it back to Tangaroa as an offering, just to show respects to him. As you know, young people do go straight over his head. Now Rua Te Pupuke used his fish hook, caught his first fish and gave it back immediately. Now the son wasn't really paying too much attention to that, and was watching his father catch fish after fish, wondering how come he's catching something and I'm not. And then eventually Rua Te Pupuke called his haul for the day, told his son, come on, let's go home. We have enough. But his son wanted to stay and try and catch some. So he asked for his father's hook. And then shortly after that, caught his first fish after his father had departed to go home. He stayed back, caught his first fish, but decided to keep it. Catching more and more fish, not returning one. This caught the attention of Tangaroa, and then as he cast the line back into the sea, Tangaroa grabbed it and he pulled him down to the sea. Now hours go by, as we do as parents, we get worried for our children why they haven't returned. Rua Te Pupuke goes back to this certain spot and notices the drag marks into the sea, and straight away knew his son didn't listen to his son didn't heed his warnings. Is that the flash word we'd use? Heed his warnings. I don't even know, I don't English that well. And so Rua Te Pupuke decided, okay, I need to go and find my son. So diving into the sea in search of his son. As time goes by, he loses hope, can't see a sign of his son anywhere, until he notices an odd structure at the bottom of the sea. As he got closer and closer, to his shock, he saw a fully carved meeting house. And these meeting houses that we carve today, whānau, we normally name them after our ancestors. Now Tangaroa's meeting house was called Hui Te Anganui, pretty much. And as he got closer and closer, the structure took form. Could see a lot of these forms or these carvings on the structure, and then he saw something moving at the apex of this meeting house. Now normally when you carve a meeting house, at the apex or at the very top we either have a carved face or a carved figure, sometimes both. And in the instance of Manuruhi, he was that particular focal point of the meeting house. Let me see. There we go. So yeah, the apex of the meeting house there. So that's where he was mounted. As his body slowly turned into a tickle or a three-dimensional carving. He's poking his tongue out. His eyes were rolling back as he was losing breath. His father knew he had to try and rescue him. And he had to figure out a plan how he was going to rescue his son. So what he did, he waited until the dead of night to have cover. And what he did was covered every entrance of the meeting house. So normally at night, Tangaroa's children, all the denizens of the sea, took refuge in this meeting house. And he covered every entrance of that, so they couldn't escape, only out of one place. Now don't at me on this. That's how OP our ancestors were back then. He set this house on fire, yes, at the bottom of the sea. And he stood out in front of the door, waiting for Tangaroa's children to escape. And as each and every single one of Tangaroa's children escaped, he struck the octopus on its limbs, breaking every bone in its body. Now you see the wheke or the octopus as it is today. The flounder, he struck it on the head so hard, you see a flounder as it is today. And many other children as well. Now as this fire was raging, he could hear voices inside the meeting house. And being absolutely surprised by that, he went closer to this burning meeting house and noticed two particular carvings. Their names were Whiri and Whira. Now these two particular carvings are mentioned throughout a lot of carving history because they could talk. Now unfortunately Rua Te Pupuke was unsuccessful because these would have been talking to us. So what he did, he took the carvings on the outside back to the surface, and then eventually had discovered what we call Whakairo, Maori wood carving. So in a sense as well, like you could look at the sea and what it does today, carving away at the land, you can look at it from that angle. Other variants of the story, one from my tribe, is it wasn't his son that got kidnapped, it was his pet tui. A tui is a native bellbird. Another variation as well, instead of a fully carved meeting house, it was a meeting house covered in kōwhaiwhai, which are designed similar to this but painted. So yeah, that's where Whakairo comes from, our god of the sea. And in a way, it was a form of storytelling, or it is a form of storytelling as well. It's kind of how we recorded our history back in the day. So yeah. Also, I want to say thank you to Pizo Chero for the Optimus Prime and the huge raid from Whakairo. Thank you very, very much, guys. I do apologize for taking long to do that, to acknowledge you guys. Sometimes I get a bit immersed. But thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Bro, what's the name of that pakati? Hikawa? Yeah, these are the more common ones, I'd say. My favourite pakati is probably the Wanganui ones. The ones that they do down in Wanganui. Those ones are sexy. I like the initial flow of Wanganui's pakatis. They're mean. Thank you very much once again, Whakairo. I appreciate the love, man. Yeah, what we're doing is just cleaning little 1%ers, really. All of it's there. There isn't really anything else to do to it. Sorry, there's a little bit of a how's it going bit in here. Make sure everything is never left untouched. Hey Jenna. But yeah, just want to give you a heads up, there's no carving whatsoever tomorrow. We are not touching wood. We're playing WoW. I didn't realise release day was tomorrow. Oh, the timber as well as Rimu, R-I-M-U. Why am I using this for timber? It was free. Free timber always cuts better than bought ones. So Rimu is a native to my country. If you ever want to know what a Rimu looks like, it kind of looks like it has dreadlocks, but they're sharp. There's a lot of Rimu trees back in my hometown. Heaps. Like ridiculously heaps. Still going hard, eh? Got heaps where I'm from too. Yeah, up north. You know why? Because you's a Matatua, that's why. Just joking. It's just a joke I always say to Napuis. Aroha nui whanauga. Alright. Hold up. Bit broke off. So here I'll show you. So here's a little whoopsie daisy for you. So look here. You can see some of the designs just broke off like here. So that'll be a little whoopsie daisy right there, right? So what we'll do, this is what we'll do. I'm gonna get a V chisel. We're gonna go to the design. So we had a little bit of a whoopsie daisy. Thank you very much, huge ass, for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Cheers to everyone using their primes on me as well, on the channel. Appreciate that, finally. And just like that, it's gone. Look at this. You can see it. Just trying to, so there it is there. So that little bit there snapped off, it's gone. Thumbs up. Oh yeah. Easy fix. Realize I'm getting old and I'd rather watch this for now than play games. Bro, I'd be doing the same, bro. But that's all gonna change tomorrow. I'm out here trying to destroy. Do you play Hearthstone? Legendary. Just a little bit. I'm not good at it. I play it just because I enjoy the art of it all, eh? When I was at BlizzCon, I went to get some art. I like getting art from stuff that I go to. And I got some art at BlizzCon too from a lot of the Hearthstone artists. Hope you're doing well, bro. Don't forget, you're an awesome artist and an amazing streamer. Most importantly, a good man. Be blessed to remember. Anyone else? Hey, I appreciate you, brother David. Ah, good to see you, my bro. So the well played emote. Yeah, they're built into Twitch pretty much. They're not mine. They're not my personal ones. They're been uploaded to Twitch pretty much. Nah, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you always coming in and sharing kind words, brother. I see you, bro. Really means a lot, my bro. Hey, sure, my bro. How you? So pretty much all the nitty gritty stuff on this side of the carving is done. The nitty gritty. The nitty gritty is all done. Are you at the Whakairo? Far from it, my bro. Far from it. I wrote a whole essay on traditional and my Tauranga Maori, and Tohunga was a big part of to learn about Traditional schools. Yeah, no, I'm far from that. I was taught by Tohunga, but yeah, I'm nowhere near. The Tohunga Whakairo I've been taught by was James Rickard and Clive Fugel. And my koro Albert Te Pou, who are all from Te Puia. Can't find half the streaming gear, still packed away. Oh yeah, I feel that, bro. Ah, I feel that, brother. Here it is. Roger that. Oh, Mountain Dew ad. But yeah, that's him. There's still like little things, but other than that, we've done all the nitty gritty pretty much. Just checking chat. Malawa te ha, e kai rangi mai rā. Haere rā. Haere rā. Kia rā tau mai te pō, te pō. O kanohi ki runga o ngā whitu o te rangi e te hika mai rā. The boring part. Boring part, chat. Te rā tau mai te pō. Oi. Not even in properly, bruh. Ahine hopu, te rau a te huia, te rangi ka tupua. Haere rā. I'll just scallop it with my hand. And the last stretch, pretty much, my bro. Just little things that I get picky about, really. Manoa te a, e kia tangi mai raha. Gee, you might even call it an early day and go for a hike. Oi! Not gonna lie, shit. If we have a girl, it's a financial W because we still have a lot of our girls' baby clothes. Financial W, bruh. Especially in this day and age, man, with everything going up. More smart. Yo. Because when we found out, I went into the shed, like we stored a lot of our daughter's clothes away. Like they got those vacuum bags and everything. Got a lot of those vacuum bags and just stored them away. But also in saying that too, it means yeah, I have to get rid of Kuru's truck. Have to swap it for something else. He kai o ka nohi, ki tau ranga mai o te rā, ki te tautarara ki ka hurānaki. Au e o te ira. Mā wi tiki tiki, a taka ranga ira. Ko au, ko koe, ko roko me te ariki nui e. That's it. Hey, Whakairo, thank you very much for the 6 months, my bro. I saw you got lots of green, browns, and oranges for clothes. So no news. Yeah, I'll be honest. Even my daughter, she goes, Dad, I like mustard. I was like, since when were you into mustard? That's my colour. It's like mustard, green, and maroon. She was like, I just like it. I was like, yeah, no tell. Ki papa to the kiwi, kiwa, ki te ti, ki te ta, ki te o I, ki te o a. Ko koe, ko kahununu e. Shit. Keep up the good, mahi, my bro. Che, my bro. He mihi ana ki a koe. Ahau mā ku te hiki o te reke reke. Ui! Fuck! Okay, she's safe. I pushed too hard. Woo! I pushed too hard, too. Whakairo. Alright, there we go. Safe and secure. Alright. Mataoe. Almost scratched. Start from scratch again. It all depends. Like if it broke, I probably would. If it didn't, leave it in. Fix them up. See what got dented. Better take a photo too. One thing I've been really cabbaging lately is archiving all my stuff. Enjoy the process again. Yeah. Also, chat, I just want to let you all know, if you are going to sub to the channel, don't do it through your phone. Do it on the desktop. Because charges are increasing through the phone. I don't know what in the Soldier Boy they think they're doing. But yeah, if you're gonna sub to the channel, try and not use your phone, because prices are increasing and it is smarter to do it through the desktop. Through the desktop. Just want to give you the heads up. But I appreciate everyone that's subbed to the channel as well. Especially those that use the primes here. Those are more like I believe those are free, right? You get it with your Prime subscription? I think I might have one. How do you tell if you have one? I might ask my sister-in-law to use her one on me, because she's got a Prime account. It will be an option when you click subscribe. Oh, okay. Yeah. So you just gotta make a Twitch account, right? You know what would be good? You know what would help me do this design faster? Probably a beaver. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Akahununue Tēnei rahi ne tapu na te whanotae No hakaruke ka mai ruke ruke nau mai e ta mai Kia miti atu ai, kia miti atu ai Oh yeah. Oi. Oi. Alright. For reading Jiggy last night, gave her a message, smile, and yo, always got her back. She's like, I consider her family. She's been here for a while. And always got her back. It's my kanaka right there. It's so good. Always got time for her. Piki wara to taiaha e ka hue. Rongo mai wahine, rongo mai wahine, rongo mai wahine. Can't sleep. Oh, good brother, welcome. Hane te mea ho honu e tuhera ne. Hane te mea ho honu e tuhera ne. Ka hunulu te tangata tā ki timu teo. Piki wara tohu ata he mura mura. Kutapaka wana mai tētoa. Auwe. Ti, ti, tarua ti. Torti, 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 ti. Tōke ni kimi, kore mi ne mi, pi koni koni, pi nako nako. Pi kutuera. Ate arata, arata. Ana whakana, ana whetana, ana whetero. Ana, hui. Auwe. Hoi. Rongo mai wahine. Ooh. My back is screaming like Metallica right now. If you do nothing this weekend, give me a call. Ia ha ha, tēnei anō te whakataraniko, tēnei atuiti te hore tāta, matauenga. Tahate, te whakapiri ki te tahakana, tā te ake, te rarapiri, a tēnei. Kai rā koe. I heard a rumour that if you flip those crocs into sports mode, you get 15% faster. What if you got a flip disc? Tini o te pō, rawa o te pō. Ko hongi hika. Tai pataka kia toa kia mate. Ana hei. Ana nā. Ko tū, koe korongo koe, ki aku matara. Ko tahi te ki, ko tahi te wānanga. Tahi te ki, ko tahi te wānanga. Hei, hei, hei ha. Hei, hei, hei ha. Hei, whētero ki te rangi. Woody woodpecker vibes. All of that left. God damn. God damn. Ai aha koe tia tai ka kiri ana. Get in there. How we doing, chat? I'm in a bit in the zone there. Wai hoki te ao, te tō tuku ahau, ngā nāwhika matarihi, ngā koe ai te reke. Oh, maruiwi. te pō. Are they singing nearby? This is on YouTube. Manawa ia te take o taku no tō. Manawa. Taku tani. Hara mai ke au, haere ai tahu. Ki te ara o te akea hake. Ki te ara o te akea hake. Te mātārai hiki papa. Tōna hine. Can't find anywhere I can buy or order these from here. I don't have a shop really. I do everything live, or I create everything live pretty much. Yeah, I feel like it'd be more genuine to build a connection between, for example, myself and X-person who would receive the carving. That's what I did with a lot of people I carve stuff for, to be honest. And I normally announce when my commissions are open. They're closed at the moment until I get this lot done. Gotta do 2 pieces to send to the US of A. Yeah, no, I'll usually announce on all my socials, brother. Just so you know. But keep in mind, I only do things within Whakairo. I'll never do like stuff outside of it. Although I could probably carve a solid Hisuian Voltorb. Yeah, I reckon I could carve a pretty solid Voltorb, I ain't gonna lie.
This Thursday only, we're fully stocked with incredible...
Love me a Briscoe sale. Ke tomoko I te pōuriuri. New One Piece is mute if you don't want to hear it. Is it the one when Akainu punches the bro? Is it those ones? And they see the big silhouette of Elbaf. If you didn't turn it down when I asked you to, you're bad. Thank you very much, Ultimate Jamie, for the raid. Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate the aroha. My name's Brock. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, One Piece lover, husband of, father of two, and a well player as well. Hope you had a wonderful stream. I'm literally blowing out this carving spec. But hope you are well and healthy, looking after yourself, wherever you may be in the world. Ki te pōuriuri. Catching up on it now. Oh yeah, I see. Shit, we might have an early date today. Ni wa deka e. Oh yeah. Boom. Hakoku. I hope we get to see more Dory and Broggy. I love those guys, man. Oi. Have you ever listened to Hawaiian reggae kolohoika? Yeah, I listen to a lot of Hawaiian. Them, the Green, Maori, Fiji. Rātau katoa. There it is.
What's your pick?
There it is, whānau. Still a little bit to do, to be honest. But we've officially gotten all the majority stuff out of the way. Like, it's there. Kei reira. Oi atu taku poi. We all there, chat, we all there. Here atu taku poi. It's not finished, but yeah, all the majority of the main stuff is done. Whakairo ki te tangi a te hurue. Ora ngā te uru ki taku poi e. Let me just take a photo. Taku poi re ana. Ki runga te hau, ki ngā kapua he. Hora hia, taku poi hora hia. He kupu tūmana kokotea, huri huri. Ka pohia, te marama i te rangi e. E pirangi ana, te ruru ki te moera e. Ki arone, e moe te ao katoa. Nō reira ki a te reto, haere ngā e. This is show I need this, yeah. We Dunzo. I hate to say it, but we're actually done for the day. Ko ki te haere ngāri te tonu te ruru e. Thank you very much to those that subbed to the channel today. We got halfway to the sub goal today. It is much appreciated all the time. Thank you very much for the heart today, whānau. I am going to finish up for now. And I'm gonna have some lunch and be responsible and do some emails. So for now, whānau, you have a good day. Good that we finally finished it. We'll do the bevels on the back on Saturday, maybe. And then I'll put my design on the back tomorrow just to show that I done it. But because I won't be putting my name on the back. But for now, y'all have a good day. Appreciate you all. To the EU viewers, go to bed. That's only aimed at one person. Appreciate you, whānau. Have a good day and much love, much love. Hey, Otter, go to bed. Cheer, whānau. Always catching strays. Cheer, my bro.